actually the magic lip. When I wear this, I can still see you on the screen over here.
Be ready with your embedded learner board in hand. Also a conditional statement, but it is quite
portable ventilator here. Okay, I see in the chat that some.
What does AI mean?
Artificial intelligence.
I've been playing a unique sport called squash at an international level for 7 years. I came up with the idea for Ghost Clear, as well as give advice on go-to-market strategy. With Moonshot's help in these areas, I was able to finalize my idea and bring my product to life.
Hi, I'm Sonia, and I'm from California, USA. As a little kid, I was always super interested in coding in Raspberry Pi, but I always felt the need for something that was a complete coding kit. The problem was, I didn't know where to start. Then my mom enrolled me in Moonshot Junior's amazing 4-stage program, where I learned everything I needed to create a Raspberry Pi kit. And then, after completion of the course, I created it.
My name is Samviranka. I'm 14 and I live in California, United States. I am the creator of the Fantastic Box. The mentors and subject matter experts at Moonshot Junior have a flexible outlook.
Hi, my name is Anita Gautam. I love robotics. I designed and created this camera add-on module with Moonshot Junior.
Hi, my name is Liza Stallings and I've been studying with Moonshot Junior. So far, Moonshot has been truly wonderful and I've loved getting to do fun and amazing things with my incredible instructors.